So today is Tuesday, October 7th, 2025, and very exciting day. We are installing our new statue that goes in the Grotto courtyard, and it's a statue by Timothy Schmaltz from Ontario, and it's called the Homeless Jesus statue, which proclaims the marginalized person in our society today. We elected to go with a statue that would be really prominent in terms of social concern, and this is actually more of a social area, the courtyard, whereas the Grotto Garden in the back of the church is a little bit more reflective, a little bit more prayerful space, where we have La Pieta from Michelangelo. And it's a beautiful space back there, but we were very concerned about making this something that would point more to the younger generation. So this Homeless Jesus statue is more of a connection to the younger generation for us as a parish. And we're very excited about it. It's pointed, again, to the marginalized in Matthew 25, feed the hungry, clothe the naked, visit the sick. And so Timothy Schmaltz is a tremendous sculptor, and we were lucky to be pointed in this direction by Bishop Ruggieri, who kind of told me a little bit about the sculptor and to look into him. And here we are today. We never thought we'd make it happen, and it's happened.
Ah, look at that. Yeah. It's pretty nice.